Welcome to Rock DIY or Do It You. If you do it, then it's all you.
If you ever had a pair of shoes you absolutely couldn't get rid of, these are mine. Throw them away? That's pretty funny. I don't think so.
I've had these Quaruba house shoes for over 10 years and they're very comfortable. They have a sheepskin upper and insole. They're in pretty good shape, minus between the insole and sole. There's some separation. I've already repaired these 2 times. Between the sole and the insole, it basically looks like a Moab hit it. This piece here used to be a solid piece, and over time it has basically disintegrated. Please help me. The life expectancy of these house shoes is probably very slim, but I'm going to go ahead and stick some Shoe Goo on this little leatherette portion of the inside here. This part is a foam, so I won't put any Shoe Goo on there because that'll just rip directly from the bottom. It looks like it's got a bunch of fungus on it, but it's not. It just looks gross. These house shoes are made for walking, and that's what they will continue to do, thanks to Shoe Goo. I'm not a shoe repairologist or a cobbler, but I think it did a pretty good job of using Shoe Goo to repair these shoes. So I put the Shoe Goo in between here, and then I had to put my hand inside to spread the glue around, basically just to make sure that I didn't have any globs that were going to stick up. And then also because the little leatherette piece underneath, or between the sole and the sheepskin on the inside, I had to constantly press this part in. Since it was basically disintegrated, it didn't keep it in the same shape, so I had to keep pushing on this part to make sure it stayed in line. If you use shoe glue, get it where you want it, because it's going to make things happen real quick.
Yeah, they look all beat up, but they are very comfortable. And if I can give them more life, then I'm going to give them more life.
Thanks for watching the video. I truly appreciate it. I hope this video motivates you to take on future DIY projects. There's nothing more satisfying than completing a project on your own. Please like, comment, or subscribe. Thanks again.